So hi guys, here we are for this food competition today. We have with us our Oga John Bosco #1,
Yes.
and our brother Kaftan, the Kaftan of Calabar. So the rules of this game goes by, we just have one rules majorly though, and the rules is you must complete your food before you become the winner, and the winner of this competition goes home with the sum of 20,000 naira. So are you guys ready?
Yeah, sure.
Oga John Bosco, are you ready?
Yes.
Kaftan.
Active.
All right, 1, 2, 3, let's go. As you can see, the game has begun. Leave am remain water pour. The rules is that you must complete your fufu. It's a must. Oga John Bosco is stopping the league. Oga John Bosco is stopping. Kaftan, I see what you're doing. Brother Kaftan, I see what you're doing.
Be on your compound, so I go collect them today. You see? I will win you collect them that compound today.
You feel chop. No be chop. You feel chop. You don't.
You say, we talk anyhow.
Oga Kaftan is going. Oga Kaftan have just one fufu left.
They follow me, they talk anyhow.
No choke, abeg o. Ambulance no dey.
Jesus. So like I don't finish 4 fufu.
Jesus.
What you dey do so? That no do my vomito.
Oga Kaftan don. And it's official. Oga Kaftan has won this round.
Don't give me your key.
Oga Kaftan has won this competition. Oga Kaftan has won this competition. Oga Kaftan is the winner of this competition.
No worry. No worry.
The sum of 20,000 naira goes to Oga Kaftan.
It's for me.
No worry. No worry, next time. Next time.
Maybe next time.
Oga John
You
Bosco
see saying
lost.
don't cheat. You see saying don't cheat.
Oga.
How you go carry fufu deep for soup, swallow am? I no gree. How you go carry fufu deep for soup? Him don't cheat.
That would be a case for another day.
No, we need to carry this case go court.
This one
Him don't cheat.
no be INEC run this election though. It was a free, fair
How you go dey
election.
chop like that? You be goat? Even goat no you go carry fufu deep for soup. No, I no gree.
Oga John Bosco, Kaftan, what do you have to say?
What I have to say is that politician and people wey no be politician no be the same.
Okay.
I'm a politician.
Thank
I
you.
swallow money anyhow. I swallow things anyhow. I swallow it. You not even showing my face.
So you are
I
trying to
swallow
say
it.
this was a free and
A
fair,
fair election.
game. Okay.
Nobody cheating anybody here. I
Okay.
swallow it. I did not even showing my face. I swallow things.
Oga John Bosco, you have to take this case to court.
I need to take it to court.
You have to take this.
I cannot take this.
Landlord, you don't have power.
If
Is
I
even
see
your
you-
landlord?
If I see you in my compound again,
Is even your
if
landlord?
I see you in my compound again, I swear to God.